Google just officially murdered Claude and ChatGPT. And if you are still copying and pasting code, you're basically already condemning yourself to the permanent underclass. For the last 2 years, AI coding basically meant that you still did all the work. You get an error, you paste it into the AI, you copy the fix, you get a completely different error, and then you just rinse and repeat the whole process over and over again until you got a working product. The AI was just a glorified autocomplete trapped inside your text editor. But Google just quietly dropped something called Antigravity, and it's not a code editor. It's an Agentic Development Platform, and it completely changes what it means to be a programmer. And honestly, if you run a small or medium-sized business, this is about to save you thousands of dollars in development costs. In fact, stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly 2 ways that you can implement this in your business today to automate your tech stack without hiring a massive dev team. Forget tab autocomplete. Antigravity doesn't just suggest code. It has a synchronized control over your code editor, your terminal, and your web browser simultaneously. You literally just type, "Build me a login page." Antigravity writes the code, opens your terminal, installs the dependency, spins up a local server, opens a live web browser, tests the UI itself, and adjusts the CSS based on what it literally sees on the screen. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Giving an AI full control over my terminal, that's going to completely destroy my database. Also, there's some real security risks involved with giving an AI access, or Google for that matter, access to your complete machine. Well, and Google knew that you'd say that anyway. That's why they built Mission Control. Instead of an AI running wild in the background, Antigravity forces the agent to present you with clear artifacts and comprehensive verification tests before it merges anything. It proves to you that the code works first to build trust. And if it messes up the UI, well, you just click the broken element right in the browser and type, "Make this bigger," and it fixes the code instantly. Whether you're a front-end dev tired of endless CSS tweaks, a full-stack dev who wants production-ready code with automated testing, or an enterprise dev drowning in legacy spaghetti code, this was built to drastically reduce context switching. You can even manage multiple agents working on different tasks in the exact same time from one dashboard. You might be asking, well, how does this murder Claude? Well, for instance, if you wanted any type of mission control out of Claude, you would have to have him build it. And that's if he builds it correctly. You'll probably need to debug the mission control that he built. And I can't tell you how many times that I've had Claude build something, and I make him check for bugs, only to find out that the code goes into production and it's chocked full of those bugs anyway. Then I have him audit his own code, where he finds more bugs, fixes the bugs that he found, and then audit his code again, where he finds even more bugs than the bugs that he just found. Google right now is just running laps around all competition. What's under the hood? Well, it's powered by Google's absolute beast, Gemini 3.1 Pro for the heavy lifting, Gemini 3 Flash for lightning fast edits, and a specialized model that they are actually calling Nano Banana Pro. The craziest part, it's available to download right now at no charge for developers. They are heavily pushing the Linux version today, with an enterprise version coming soon. You can also download it for Mac and Windows. But what if you aren't a massive enterprise? Well, as promised, here are 2 ways that you can use Antigravity right now to level up your small or medium-sized business. Number 1, building custom internal tools. Let's say that you run an e-commerce brand and you hate your inventory software. Who doesn't? You don't need a $10,000 agency to build a new one. You can open Antigravity, give it all your API keys, and tell it, "Build me a custom dashboard that connects to my Shopify store and highlight low inventory in red." The agent will write the back end, design the front end, spin it up in the browser, and test the data connection for you. Just act as the manager, approving its work. Well, number 2, rapid website iteration and A/B testing. If your business's landing page maybe isn't converting, waiting weeks for a web developer to update the site costs you money, time, all those different things. With Antigravity's visual feedback loop, you or a single junior dev can open the live preview, click right on your call to action button, and type, "Redesign this pricing section to look better on mobile," and make the buy button pop. The agent does the CSS and the testing in real time. We are officially leaving the era where you write every line of code yourself. You are no longer the writer. You are the editor-in-chief of your own AI development team. If you don't know who we are Faceless Consulting, and we teach small and medium-sized businesses to improve workflow productivity. We have saved over $3 million in billable man hours for businesses just like yourself. If you want to stay on top of it all, fill out this contact form on our website, and I will send you a new tool every week. No slop, no spam, just highly effective tools to revolutionize your business. The link to download Antigravity is in the description. Tell me in the comments, are you actually brave enough to give AI access to your terminal? If you want to see me build a full application using Antigravity from scratch, comment "build" down in the comment section below. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.